Hello, my name is Alejandro, and we are going to prepare Halloween biscuit recipe. Ingredients: 1.5 cups of flour, 19 grams of butter, a quarter cup sugar, a quarter cups brown sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon liquid vanilla, and half cups chocolate chips. Preparation: preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Place all the ingredients in a bowl and mix to form a dough. You can knead with your hands. Place dough in the fridge for 20 minutes so that it has more consistency. Knead with a rolling pin and a little flour. Cut the cookies with your favorite mold. Decorate them and enjoy your chocolate chip cookies.
Hello, today I'm going to show my Halloween recipe. The ingredients are cheese, York ham, fried tomato, and integral mass. First, we cut a pumpkin face on a pancake base. Then we put cheese, York ham, and fried tomato, and put a pancake base on top. We put it in the oven for 10 minutes. Ta-da! And that's it! We should already have our wonderful Halloween recipe.
Hi, I'm Blanca. I'm going to make some fun sandwich for Halloween. We need sandwich bread, cheese and sausage. First, we cut the leaves in the shapes of a coffin and a triangle. We fill the coffin with salsa and put a piece in the shape of a cross on top. And for the face, we put the cheese and the salsa inside, and with the rest, we make this with the cheese and some eggs with the sausage. And we already have our funny Halloween sandwich. Goodbye!